Hello and welcome to another episode of CI Stories. I'm in a new environment, and actually I just arrived in Paris, or more precisely in Saint-Germain-en-Laye, and I'm on another short trip. Uh, yeah, Working towards our new icebreakers. This is a meeting where iXblue, the major manufacturer of positioning and navigation system, has invited the community to come in and join and talk about the newest developments in underwater robotics and navigation and different navigation and positioning platforms. So I'm here to see what is new, see how we can work under ice, because most of these people don't work under ice, so I'm always kind of the special guy who wants the weird stuff. But I'm here to see the newest technology, and I hope to take you along and show you a little bit in the next days. So hello from the first day of the iXblue user conference, and we are here in a very interesting conference location. This is a castle nice old French country castle, but actually the convention center is located underneath the foundation of the castle, so it's a very interesting location. The meeting has been very interesting, with some talks about autonomous marine assets and their operation, and it also has again some very nice networking possibilities after the pandemic, talking to different manufacturers, representatives and colleagues from research institutes, particularly here in France. Also a very impressive thing was the presentation of the remote operation of a DRIX unmanned or uncrewed surface vessel in the Mediterranean Sea, actually more than 800 kilometers south of here, which was very impressive to see how this technology can be operated from far away, and also how this autonomous vessel then performed collision avoidance maneuvers, etc., and was mapping the seafloor. So after that, we got a very nice tour of the facilities, of the production facilities of iXblue here in Saint-Germain-en-Laye. And now let's see how it continues. There's going to be more talks now on imaging and autonomous vehicles. And in the evening, there will be another networking session with some drinks and a dinner, and tomorrow there will be more of a user workshop going more into the details of the different systems. So this is after the evening of the iXblue user conference, and I'm just walking a few meters back to my hotel, which is here on the lovely countryside. Well, actually it's also quite a big country road, but it's nice to have a small walk back to the hotel after we had a nice networking evening, and it was very good to see a lot of colleagues and get to know a lot of new colleagues in the field of underwater robotics, and just see all the interesting ideas, what is coming in the next years and what we are already using in the underwater robotics field. So yeah, it has been a very interesting conference. Tomorrow is gonna be another day, but that is not the user conference, but just some training workshops to get a bit more hands-on experience on some of the products of this manufacturer. And yeah, I hope that you like this little view into how the subsea robotics industry is working. And yeah, there's just one thing that you notice today clearly. I mean, this was again a room full of, well, older white male people, so the underwater robotics community can definitely use some diversity. So this is a call to all the women, girls and future engineers out here. The underwater robotics needs you and needs good minds, so I hope we can change that a little bit in the future. So with that, thanks a lot for watching this episode, and I say goodbye from the countryside in France, and have a nice day.